Hello, I wan welcome una to another edition of Law in Pidgin. Today, we go talk about the Electoral Act 2022. I know say some of una still dey vex sake of how the election wey we just do take come out, but we go still talk law as e be because law na law, even though heavens fall, law na still law. The first thing wey we go talk about for this new law wey dem give us, wey National Assembly give us, wey our then presido come sign, the financial independence of the Independent National Electoral Commission. Wetin I mean by this one? Before now, money wey concern INEC, Ministry of Finance go vet am, dem go chook eye inside, dem go talk how the money suppose go. But now law say no, e no dey like that. Say the money wey federal government don map out say na wetin dem go use conduct election, make that money enter their pocket, make e enter their purse direct. The law come still talk say make this money try reach their hand 1 year before election, so that dem no go dey run kiti dey find money, dey beg money wey dem go use conduct election. Law say make dem dey give dem this money 1 year before election. The law come still dey talk say make INEC, make dem dey do am, dey submit names of people wey go represent dem for election 180 days before that election day. No take INEC unaware, no take people unaware. Na so the law talk am. The law come still dey go front dey tell political parties say all their campaign, all the thing wey dem go dey tell people say dem go do this one, dem go tie road, dem go do this one, dem go build infrastructure, dem go build house, dem go buy this one, dem go buy that one. Law say make dem dey do this thing 150 days before that election, and inside that 150 days make dem stop to dey talk, make dem stop to dey do campaign 24 hours before the election. E bin no dey like that for the repealed law, for the former law wey bin dey guide everything wey concern election matter. The law come still dey go fast and forward, come talk say INEC must get wetin dem dey call Central Electronic Voter Database. Before now, wetin dey na the hard copy, the one wey dem go use pen, use book dey write. Before now na wetin dey, but now that law come talk say as e dey get the one wey, as INEC dey get the one wey dem use hand and paper, wey dem use hand, paper and book write, law talk say make dem still get the one wey dem put for computer. Na so law talk am. Then e get the one wey I wan talk now wey go sweet some people mind. Law come talk say, you know say before, wetin the meaning of overvoting before this act, before this law come, overvoting mean say when the number of vote wey people don vote pass the number of registered voters. Wetin that one mean? So you dey see how INEC dey take dey publish names of registered voters. That former law talk say overvoting na when the number of votes wey people vote on the day of election for any particular polling unit don pass the number of registered voters for that unit. This new law come now say no, say that thing na wayo, say na lie. The new law now come say overvoting now means when the number of votes wey dem cast for any polling unit don plenty pass the number of accredited voters. Accredited voters and registered voters no be the same thing. Registered voters na total number of votes wey people, voters wey register for that polling unit, while accredited voters na voters wey come out, you see, from that registered voters, people wey like the country, wey carry the country for mind, wey come out say dem wan vote, and wey INEC officials dem check their card, check everything whether e correct, whether e complete, na dem be accredited voters. So the law come talk say overvoting na when vote wey dem vote for that unit don pass those people wey dem don check dem, wey dem don accredit. Na im be one better thing, one of the better thing wey this law bring for us. The law come still dey talk say make political appointees, all those people wey government wey dem dey appoint for government make dem dey do one or two. Law come talk say dis people say dem no go fit serve as delegate to party primaries anytime wey political parties wan conduct election. If you know say you be political appointee, you no go fit participate for dat primaries, you no go fit participate, dem no go fit vote for you and you no go fit vote. Na so the law talk am. To further make dis law make e sweet, the way our National Assembly take add pepper add maggi for the law, dem come talk say the law come introduce wetin dem dey call all dis electronic voting accreditation machine, dis one wey dem dey call smart card readers, all those electronic all those things wey concern electronics for the election. The law now come say make INEC transmit results electronically according to the guidelines, according to how INEC wan do am. But law say make INEC transmit results electronically, but law no tell dem how dem go take do am. Na wetin make law leave am for their hand, say make dem decide how dem wan take do am, but make dem transmit results electronically in addition to the one wey dem get, wey dem dey write, use pen and paper write, make dem still do am through computer. Na so law talk am. When me I come read dis law, read am, I don read am back, read am front, the law good o, but INEC dey do their own too, dem dey do their work. But our National Assembly dem need to sit down look dis law again. Dem need to look am 2 times. Make dem touch the law again, make the law come talk say make we dey do election 1 year before swearing in. Because e no good say dem don swear person in, the person go come dey rule dey enjoy power, dem go come collect the power from am kpam. E no good. So make our National Assembly sit down look dis fine law wey dem don do again, touch the law again, so that we go dey do election 1 year before swearing in, so that anybody wey wan go court o, anybody wey wan go tribunal o, anybody wey wan fight for stolen mandate o, mandate wey dem thief, you go get time to fight before dem go swear the person in. Na so e suppose be. Thank you.